Hey y'all, so I'm looking like a straight up hobo today, but I don't care. I got my yard cut before that rain started. Whew. Now I gotta go hit that sale at Lowe's. What y'all getting? This is what I'm getting right here. Garden soil, honey. Look at these prices. $4.58, but they buy 3, get 3. Yes, indeed. I'm gonna get me 6 of them. This is all purpose, guys. So make sure you're getting the right thing for the purpose that you're going to use it for. This is for vegetables and flowers for in-ground use. So there you go. So guys, with this sale, they end up being $2.29 each. Let me check that, make sure. Yeah, and we got 6 of them. $14.57 for 6 bags.